I want to tell you before my presentation, I'm the first Japanese orthopedic surgeon in Nova Scotia. That's enough, too much, thank you. So this is my last presentation in Canada. So my talk, Bridging Reconstruction for Massive Rotator Cuff Tears, has a high survivorship rate against reverse total shoulder arthroplasty at a minimum 5 years. We went to Boston, Fenway Park, okay? And Japan is a baseball country. And I'm so exciting moment with Mike. Mike is striker, yeah. So he's a great Blue Jays baseball player. So every day in Scotia, we chatted a lot about baseball games. So baseball, Japan, but everybody has rotator cuff tear. So rotator cuff tear is a big #1 shoulder pathology. And unfortunately, 40% cases, massive rotator cuff tears. And extremely challenging to treat massive rotator cuff tears. The history of treatment for massive rotator cuff tears initiated about 40 years ago, about just major debridement and partial rotator cuff repair and a tendon transfer. About 15 years ago, bridging reconstruction, SCR, and balloon implantation have been introduced. Bridging reconstruction has been initiated by Dr. Steve Snyder in 2008 and developed by my boss, Dr. Ivan Wan at Dalhousie. However, we do not have enough data. What's going on after 5 years? So that's my research topic. So this study was to identify the survivorship against reverse total shoulder arthroplasty at a minimum 5 years. The eligibility criteria, the patient followed at least minimum 5 years after bridging reconstruction for massive rotator cuff tears. The primary outcome, survivorship against reverse total shoulder arthroplasty. Also patient-reported outcome measures and also progression to rotator cuff arthritis. So we follow a total of 44 patients at a minimum 5-year follow-ups. The average 7.3 years. Significantly, the patient-reported outcome measures improved at baseline 71 down to 24. And also, 95% of cases achieved minimally clinically important difference, meaning very happy. And also, one patient has reverse total shoulder, meaning 98% cases survivorship rate. And also, 95% of survivorship against end-stage arthritis. Also, usually if proceed with arthritis, the humeral head migration upward, meaning acromion humeral head distance becoming smaller, but we maintained about 5.3 millimeter in average. That's fantastic outcome. And a recent systematic review showing several treatment options for bridging for massive rotator cuff tears. And the bridging reconstruction is a potential best. And recently, I made a wonderful video. That's on the Bumedi, okay? And we made a poll there. Everybody in the world, which treatment is best for you for massive rotator cuff tears? Look, the majority of the audience selected partial repair. We completed a randomized control trial. Partial repair, bridging reconstruction. The answer is bridging reconstruction. Again, I want to tell you, okay? In 1 month, over 2,000. And now, over 2,500. The #1 viewing video for massive rotator cuff tears. Who made it? Me. Who's my boss? Him. In conclusion, bridging reconstruction for massive rotator cuff tears has an excellent survivorship against reverse total shoulder arthroplasty at a minimum 5-year follow-up. So next journey, going back to Tokyo. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Good job. Thanks. You just leave that right there. Okay, good job, Kazu. Hopefully you see now why he's been hotly regarded for the next center. So we're going to go on to our panelists, panelists. Comments, questions?
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, number one, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's enough for me. I just want to put my name in your memory. That's my dream.
Getting off that easy.
Thank you.
So, as in my work in Nova Scotia Health, what we're really mostly concerned about is the impact on patients. So you've had all kinds of views and great video, and you're part of Ivan's work and brilliant. So I really want to know, how are you going to take what you've learned and that preference and your study, and how are you going to take that to translate that into the place where I work in practice? Tell me more about that.
That's a great question. Before I came here, I studied our health research methodology at McMaster University with Dr. Ofemi Ayani, the research head, and Dr. Wan's close friend, and also Dr. Gordon Guyard, our evidence-based medicine. And the keyword, knowledge translation. Many people are doing great job, great paper, that's it. But it's extremely challenging, a big hurdle, a big wall to get into practice.
Yeah.
So the key is my perspective, just broadcasting, and try to appeal orthopedic surgeons, not only in Canada, not only in Tokyo, but everywhere. It's a good option instead of pressure repair. That's a key. Knowledge translation, extremely challenging, but we have to do, and I believe I can. That's why I decided to change my personality. I'm a Japanese person. I'm super shy, but it's not good to change into knowledge translation. That's my answer.
I love it. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, really. Oh my goodness.
He was when he started.
Right. Dr. Cody knew everything.
Very true. If you ever watched his first presentation to the presentation 1 year afterwards, this is a Kazu we never thought we would see.
That's right.
Or end up with.
That's right.
Any other questions from our
I
esteemed
can
panel?
follow up.
Yeah.
Kazu, great presentation. And I'm wondering, Dr. Cody and Dr. Tomlin Murphy, if they came to see you, how would you treat maybe them differently based on what you found? In your results, you said 70% of your group were male. I'm wondering what implications does it have for females that come in to see you as we sort of translate this out? Or does it?
Oh, that's a great feedback, because orthopedic surgeons only care about result, and we don't care among social background. But for example, male physical labor is usually soon after going back to return to work. So usually a little bit successful rate lower. So female are so. The answer is still we have to do research more. So please
Good answer.
edit.
Okay.
great point. Just on the point, but that's beyond my capacity. But anyway, I want to tell you, we have to think about all patient background, not only male, female, work type, and what kind of sports. Thank you, great feedback. That's my
Great.
future work.
Cheers.
Wonderful. Any other questions? It's good? Okay, so now we'll go to the judges. So judges, we're going to base it out of 10. We're going to come up with an average score because we have an awards right after our 5 presentations. Scores?
We put them up?
Yeah, put them up so everyone else can see. 8, 5, 9, 90, 99. I think we're out of 10.
Mark is my best teacher.
8, 9, 9. Okay, okay.
Minus
Okay,
9
okay,
points.
Good job.